Tired of juggling between Facebook and Zoho CRM, losing valuable leads in the process? This quick tutorial will show you how to seamlessly integrate Facebook and Zoho CRM, streamlining your lead generation and boosting your sales. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. As an administrator, this is crucial for granting the necessary permissions. Navigate to the Setup menu. You'll usually find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Setup menu, look for the Marketplace section and click on All. Now, search for the Facebook Lead Ads integration. Once you find it, click on it and then click the Install button. A window will pop up asking you to agree to the terms of service. Read them carefully. Then check the box and click Continue to install. You'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account. Click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Zoho CRM to access your Facebook business page. Select the Facebook page you want to connect to Zoho CRM from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the Zoho CRM module where you want your Facebook leads to be stored, such as leads or contacts. Now comes the important part: field mapping. This is where you tell Zoho CRM which Facebook lead at fields correspond to which fields in your chosen CRM module. For example, you'll map the full name field from Facebook to the full name field in Zoho CRM. Be sure to map all the relevant fields. Once you've finished mapping the fields, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Facebook and Zoho CRM. Now, every time someone fills out a lead form on your Facebook ad, their information will automatically be added to your Zoho CRM, allowing you to follow up immediately. You can track the performance of your Facebook ad campaigns directly within Zoho CRM, gaining valuable insights into which ads are generating the most leads and driving the best results. Start capturing those leads and closing more deals today.